lying on the mat. Right stance. Good job. Move around, hands up, move around, move around. And I want you in standing attention. Oh, look at the statues all standing at attention.
Okay.
It's just like a